Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 analysis. So as you see here, that the SP500 here, it came back to that level here. I haven't put for you new videos those days because it's staying, there is nothing new here. Plus we still touching here that very stronger level here. We touched it the first time here, market move up, fall down again, now we touch it here. Now either that from that level where we are now here in the SP500, we're going to see the market to give us here a price action like that double bottom which is here, like that, and to come to break the neckline which is here. Then after that maybe it will go up more for another scenario, because till now us we are breaking the neckline of that head and shoulder here. I showed it to you before. Neckline it was here. As you see it, the take profit for that one, it's going to be like that, and you make it like that. So till down here, as you see it, till that level which is down here, that where is going to be the take profit for that short here. By the way, that one for long term, as I told you, is going to be till down here. Let me tell you the level exactly, 40.52.4. That where the SP500 is going to go. But there is some news, that way me I came to put for you the video here, because the SP500 in that level we just touched the 200 moving average, the simple one in the daily. I don't want to show you the daily because it's going to make the video too long. And now here at that level where we are, we got some news here. Let me show it to you for pictures to get more clear to you. As you see it, guys, here if you see that one here compared to that one here and that one here compared to that one here, you got a very clear divergence here. As you see it, very clear divergence here. What shall we do? Shall you enter long here in the SP500? If you are waiting just to enter once as a swing trader, not yet. To enter, it needs the market to give you here a price action. If it doesn't, there is no entry, because the last time we used to have here a smaller divergence here, and we used to have here another one, but the market doesn't move up. Till now, us we just touching that level here, and as you see it where it is here, look at it, look here, and look that one here, with that one here, we got a very clear divergence here in the 4 hours. So you need to be careful about that one, guys. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see the coming news for today, for pictures get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news, before we go into the coming news, we need to analyze for you the data why the SP500 tried to move upward today. As you see it, the private job data will come today. It's slowing a little bit, that make weaker service, because today it came ISM services or ISM PMI of services. It came today, so its lead on treasury yield to slow down today. That's why we saw the SP500 try to move upward a little bit. But the first thing, second thing we got is it those ones here, the tech. As you see it, the tech today, they growing up a little bit, and the treasury yield, it fell down a little bit. That will make the SP500 today to recover a little bit. Plus there is the third thing, which is that one here. As you see it, the energy on falling oil as price, gas, inventory jump, and OPEC Plus hold the line on product. That means OPEC Plus, they holding, putting more oil in the market. So let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming days. But good news here. Now let's go into see the coming news of today. The coming news of today, guys, as you see it, we got initial jobless claim, that which is going to come today. So there is nothing important here. Plus here is our friend, the table of us. Also we're looking at it every day. Look at it here, what it's telling us. As you see it, our friend here, the VIX, yesterday we used to be 19, today it fall down a little bit. And me, I tell it to you, I've been talking about that. I told you either the VIX or VVIX, it need to come to the overbought area. Then after that, we're going to see a dump. And that's what's happening here. The fair, it reached till 20. Now maybe we're going to see another dump, or maybe it's going to continue it upward. But now the market, there is high fair. So be careful, guys. So I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the SP500, what it's doing today in 30 minutes. Here we are in the SP 500 in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping, guys, and day trading. Here the SP 500 give us here a head and shoulder here. As you see it, if you are a scalper and day trader, will dive and it's breaking here. The neckline will dive you into a long. By that candle here will dive you into a long tail. Now you are in profit. Take profit for that one. It's going to be like that. You came like that and you do it up. Don't you go till here, till that level here. Not the level me I'm thinking of. Another thing here, as you see it, look with me here. You got a downtrend here. You just touching the top of it here. So even that one you need to be careful, guys. If it's going to be broken here, that means the SP 500 is going to go more than that. Or another scenario is going to go back down, because here you got a down channel as you see it. You see it or no? So you touch the top here. Each might from here is going to fall down. You touch the lower here. So be careful, guys. It's our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it started entering here to the overbought area. So technically you need to look into enter short. Should you enter short now? Not yet. Only if the SP 500 came and breaking that trend line here, or give you here a price action. At this time there is no entry short. At this time the SP 500 is going to continue going upward, but it's need to break that trend line here. That one here, it need to be broken for the SP 500 to continue upward, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's going to see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100 in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, you remember that level here as we've been talking about in the Nasdaq 100 before. I tell it to you before, and as you see it, the Nasdaq 100 here, he tried to give you here a price action. It's very clear double bottom here, but it's need to break the neckline which is here for you to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry, like how before here, how it happened here when it's breaking the neckline here. That when it used to be the entry short, at this time it needs to break here for the Nasdaq 100 to go up. This time there is nothing, so you need to wait more till you got a clear picture, guys. It's need the market to tell you to enter, not just came and threw your money out from the window. If you are a long-term investor, that's another story. You just they say slowly by slowly when you see dumps like this. But if you are a swing trader, there is no entry yet. You need the market to come to break the neckline which is here, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, same thing, same divergence here as you see it here. You got a very clear divergence here. Told you enter long. I told you if it came and breaking the neckline, if it came and breaking the neckline here of that double bottom here, as you see it till now, it's not yet completed, so you need to wait until the break happen here, guys, for you to enter long. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, you got something different here, because that's the neckline as we talking about here in the 4 hours. And we got down here another very stronger level, or yeah, it's a distribution level as you see it. The Nasdaq, it went up, it touches here, it fall down, it touches here. Now also we are waiting where it's going to be broken, either up here in that level here, or from here going to fall down to break down here. So till now also we are in a distribution level here in 30 minutes in the Nasdaq, and that one to trade it is very simple. You waiting the Nasdaq to come here and you looking to enter short, and when it fall down here, you looking to enter long. It's being from here as you see it. You used to have here a head and shoulder here, down here you used to have here a cup and handle like that. Same thing now, you waiting that one to come to touch here, and after that to looking to enter short. At this time there is nothing, and over here the Nasdaq is telling us there is more continuation upward a little bit till that level which is here. Exactly, let me tell it to you, because some people they being criticizing me. I don't say the levels. The levels at 14,866. That's the level where you need to be focused about here. Exactly, guys. The Nasdaq is going to go till here now. It's our indicator what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's enter here to the overbought area. So technically you need to look into enter short, but there is no price action yet telling you need to enter short. So you need to wait in. Yes, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Also, we just been talking about it. Should we enter short? Not yet. It's need the market to give you here a price action to enter short, because the price action is the confirmation for you to enter short. If there is no price action, there is no entry short, no entry long, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the DXY, what they're doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY or US dollar, guys. As you see, the US dollar or DXY here, it's still giving us here higher high. It came touching that level here. Also, we still here in the DXY in a very sharp uptrend, as you see it. Should we enter short now? This time, no, there is nothing yet. It's need the market to give you here a price action. If it doesn't, there is no entry short, my friend. Remember that. If there is no price action here telling you need to enter short, there is no entry short, and it's need to come to break down that uptrend. Also, we are waiting to get broke. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. Look at it. It's very sharp uptrend, guys. And even if we zoom it like that, let me zoom it like that to explain those things to you, what I'm talking about here. As you see here, it's breaking here, high, fall down here, touch the resistance, will get him broke and it become a support here, as you see it. Now he go back up, he touching that new resistance here. Now let's see it's from here is going to break it or not, because as you see it giving you here high, low, high. Now if you here a low, that means the DXY or US dollar, it's still giving us higher high, so there is no entry short, guys. I don't thinking of to enter short. If you are a forex trader, you see what's happening to the market now, so don't try to enter a short against the US dollar. US dollar, it's still very bullish, guys. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, same thing. You remember those divergence here, you remember one here, remember that one here, you got another one here. Now should we enter short till we breaking that trend line which is here? If we don't break it, there is no entry short. Remember that. If we don't break it here, there is no entry short. You've been in the market for some time, you know the market doesn't work just going up like that. Market is working with waves like that, and DXY is telling us we are in a very sharp uptrend. And remember that trend is always your friend, my friend. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see the DXY what it's doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes in the DXY, guys. Here in 30 minutes, look with me here. You see that level here, that one here, exactly that one here. It's getting broke here. Yes or no? It's being here as a resistance. It's getting broke here in that level. Market went up, give you another high. Now it fell down the resistance here. It's become a support. Now let's see if from here it's going to break for us that last high which is here. And as you see here, DXY still giving you higher high, guys. Should you enter short now? At this time, no. You got here. Look with me here what I'm going to do. Uptrend here. Tell now for you to enter short. If it's getting broke here, I'm talking here to enter short just for scalping and day trading. I'm not talking to enter short for swing trading, guys. So everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, it touch oversold area. You got here a triple bottom here, as you see it. The neckline of them, is it here in the highest peak, or let me tell you the level, is it at 106.987? That the neckline here. If it's getting broke here, that means the DXY is going to give you another high than the previous, which is that one here, guys. So focus about those things. I just show you. For the long, I tell you the level exactly it needs to be broke. For the short, if it fall down and breaking that trend line which is here, that means you can enter more short. So I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.